Steve's air here. There you go.
So there's no actual filter for this.
Just a
screen.
a screen. Can you see it there?
Okay, yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Good.
So can you get a filter for this or a new screen, or
Well,
they just don't make them anymore?
You get an adapter that fits over this,
Yeah.
and then you can put a cartridge type,
Filter?
yeah, like a pleated one, eh?
Okay.
And throw this in the book. But in the days when this come out, they didn't have those kind of filters. No, I can open it up a bit. A lot of the filters in the older days were oil bath filters. So it sucked air in through the bottom of the housing and through oil, and that's what kept the dirt out.
Okay.
Takes a little bit of fooling around. When a guy gets older, you can't hit the hole as good as you used to when you were young.
Okay.
There.